Here's how to create a professional blur effect with a border in Canva. Start by adding your image to the canvas and resizing it to cover the entire background. Select this image, click Edit, go to Effects, and apply the blur effect to the whole image. Adjust the intensity to your preference, such as 50. Next, add the same image to the canvas again. Crop this copy to isolate your main subject. With this cropped layer selected, go to the Stroke Style option in the toolbar. Add a border by increasing the weight and choosing a color. Finally, add the image one more time. Use the Background Remover tool on this layer to delete the background, leaving just your subject. Crop and position this cutout to align perfectly over the border layer below.